Hey, good morning everyone. I'm out here day after Christmas. Hopefully I do 8 miles. It is cold. It is windy. We have gusts that are 20 or 30 miles per hour. I've got the external mic 2 connected to my Pocket 3 right now. Curious to see how that works because it's windy out here. All right, I'm going to try to stay in areas to avoid as much ice as I can so I don't hurt myself. Let's get this done. I'm at the west side of Bear Creek Park, which is just next to our house. It looks beautiful, but it's not as nice as it looks. Okay, so surprisingly, I did overdress. I commonly do that. I took off my jacket. I have a thin long sleeve on and a pretty thick long sleeve on over that. I just checked the weather conditions. It's 32 degrees, winds at 20 miles per hour, wind chill temperature feels like 20. I'm in the open right now. Not too bad. Once I get into the woods again, it'll feel even better. I'm still using the wireless mic 2 with my Pocket 3. Really curious how this is going to sound when I get done. All right, here we go. Coming up on a mile pretty shortly. Still the west side of Bear Creek Park. Beautiful park next to our house. We live on the north side of the park. These houses you see coming up are on the south side of the park. That's west towards our mountains. I can go anywhere on trails there and get as many miles as I want to. Boy, I'm moving slow. I just hit a mile. 16 minutes. Yeah. Can't worry about time today. Yesterday it was actually a rest day. My goal for today, or for this week, is to hit 50. New Year's Day, next Monday, I'm running a rescue run 10K race here in town, which is actually in this park, but on the east side. All right. I came through here a couple days ago and noticed this tree has fallen over the trail too. It's already a visible path around it. I'm on Stephanie's Trail, west side of Bear Creek Park. About 1.65, 1.7 miles into my run. I had to take another layer off. I took off my thin long sleeve, and I forgot I had a t-shirt on underneath that yet. Definitely overdressed, even in these windy conditions. I'm going to try to make my way over to section 16, see how that is. You can see there's still sections of ice here that I have to navigate over. Still on Stephanie's Trail. I'm really protected from the wind right now, but having to deal with a lot of icy sections. Definitely going to take it easy so I don't fall and hurt myself. Beautiful trail though. Look at this. All right, coming up onto section 16 trailhead, which is right over there. I'm taking the trail off to the side that connects with the main trailhead. I'm on the main trail for section 16, also known as the Palmer Loop. The Palmer Loop is about 5.5 miles long. Beautiful workout. So for the last 6 weeks, I've got in some good training. 4 of those 6 weeks, I've hit 50 miles or better. Last week was 57 miles total. My highest, my 2 lowest were 42 miles and 45 miles. I remember the one that when I hit 45 miles for the week, I had 10,000 feet of gain. That was a good week of training. Just trying to establish a great base here as I go into the new year. Ramp up my training for the Lake Sonoma 50-mile race, which is April 13th in California. Never done that one, but looking at people's race reports, YouTube videos, photos, it looks beautiful. Can't wait to do that one. Melissa Rogers, who also lives here in Colorado Springs. Well, actually, she lives in Woodland Park, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I know her. She's doing the Lake Sonoma 50-mile race, too. Be nice to know someone out there. All right. This section of the trail's been redone. Look at this. This is beautiful. It used to be pretty muddy all the time, but it should be a lot better now. We are definitely spoiled here. But I do prefer spring, summer, and fall to be running in the mountains here versus the winter, because I do not like running in snow or ice. Alrighty. Yep. I'm feeling good enough. I'll get 8. It's going to be slow, but that's okay. Also, really curious. It's pretty windy right now. How this mic 2 from DJI is picking up the audio. Like I said, we're having wind gusts of at least 20 or better. Look at that. Alrighty. I'm on the upper top part of Red Rock Canyon open space, which is off of Highway 24 west of Colorado Springs. This park here is really close to our house too. I think it's no more than, what is it? Oh yeah, 1.1 miles hitting the park from our house. And then I'm on a trail within this park. All right, the wind doesn't feel really cold, but man, it'd be really warm. Feel really nice if there was no wind. But right now, my eyes have been really watering. Makes it harder to run on the trails. It's the combination of the wind and the cooler temperatures that always gets me. All right. If you don't live in the Colorado Springs area, this is what you're missing. It is beautiful out here. If you ever plan on moving out to this area, got to get out here and enjoy these trails. I'm moving really slow. That's okay. Tomorrow's going to be a much better weather day. And I'll pick up my running a little harder tomorrow. I'm running the Rescue Run 10K on New Year's Day here, Bear Creek Park. So I really would like to take Sunday off. So that means between today through Saturday, I need to run an average of 10 miles. Oh, let's see. I haven't run the Rescue Run in a few years. That one attracts a lot of runners. I'm still in Red Rock Canyon open space. About, I don't know, what am I at here? 4.7 miles in. In case you're wondering what I wear, that's what I wear. Ultra Superiors, I wear those 95% of the time. Only time I don't wear that is if I'm wearing Lone Peak high tops. Is that Lone Peak? When I have to run through a lot of snow. Or the regular Lone Peaks if I'm running in a race that has a lot of slick rock or a lot of pavement in it, which I try to avoid. But running in Moab's, a lot of slick rock. Okay, as you can see, man, gotta deal with some ice here. That's why I'm going slow. Tomorrow I'll probably stay more on the east side, Bear Creek Park or downtown, because this is slow. Shit, sorry, almost fell. This is slow moving. All right, heading back into west side of Bear Creek Park. Get through this ice right here. I'm what am I at? 6.2 miles in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Got a bunch of ice to get through again. All right. I gotta put the camera away. About 7.25 miles in. I'm really in the open now. It's windy. Curious how this mic is picking up my voice. I was thinking about doing 10, but I haven't been feeling it this whole run, so at the next intersection here, I'll make a left and head home. I'll have about a mile from there. Alrighty, let's get this done. I am tired. I'll get over 8 miles, maybe 8.5. For breakfast though, I had a banana and a Kind bar. Not much of a breakfast. And during the run here, I've had 2 packages of sport beans and 1 Kind bar. So about 300 calories. And I've been out here for a little over 2 hours. Oh, I feel weak though. I also weighed 130 this morning, which is a little light. I think I feel my best if I weigh at least 131, 132. I'm hungry. Scrambled eggs with onions and tomato, with fried potato and sausage is what I'm having when I get back. All right, let's get this done. I'm still on the west side of Bear Creek Park right now, getting pretty close to home. Alrighty, I'll be hitting 10. My mic 2 just fell off my shirt. Not sure if I bumped it. Again, this shirt that I have it on is a really thick shirt. So I wouldn't want to do that during a race, that's for sure. Hopefully it's still working. It's really windy out here yet. I'm almost back home. Really happy that I'm getting 10 miles. It was slow, but it was good. Tomorrow should be easier. Let's bring this in. Alrighty, that is 10 miles. Oh, that was a little hard today, but I did good. A lot of times it's in your head. Secretly, I wanted to get 10 miles, but I would have settled for 8. So I'm happy I did do 10 this morning. Alrighty, time to make myself some lunch. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on my next one.